Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut in your PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to just write here download CapCut, and then you will see a lot of link here, but this one, the CapCut, this is the official one, right? And you have to just click on it. So in your country, if you're not able to open this website, the official website of CapCut, you can always use a VPN. And once you turn on the VPN here, it will get your website will be open. So now you can see this is a website of CapCut here. You will get an option of sign up for free. You don't need to sign up. You have to just click on download for Windows. And I will just click on download for Windows. Now you have to wait for a few seconds and it will show you in your download bar. Right here it is saying that it's downloading. So you can just download it. It's showing, in my case, it's showing download duplicate link because I have already downloaded. So now let me show you how to install. So this is CapCut here. You have to double tap on it, click on yes. Now CapCut is running. So of course I've already installed, that's why CapCut is not getting installed here. So I will close my CapCut and I will show you how to install it. Right, so here I will just click on double tap here, click on yes, and in just few seconds it will get installed. So of course it will download for a few seconds and it will get installed in your laptop or PC. So this is the only way to install CapCut in your laptop or PC. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.